ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 55 श्लोक 8। अखिलेषु विभो भवदीयदशाम् अवलोक्य जिहासुषु जीवभरं फनिबन्धनमाशु विमुच्य जवात् उदगं यतः सजुषा भवता। Word by word meaning. Hey Vibho, O Lord, Akhileshu, all of them, Bhavadiya Dasham, thy plight, Avalokya, seeing, Jiva Bharam, their lives, Jihasushu, preparing to sacrifice, Ashu, quickly, Phanibandhanam, the coils of the serpent, Vimuchya, removing, Hasajusha, with a smile, Bhavata, thou, Javat, Udagamyata, didst quickly emerge. Full meaning, O Lord, then all of them, seeing thy plight, were preparing to sacrifice their lives to save thee. Thou didst then quickly remove the coils of the serpent and come out smiling. O Tatsat.